AcreTrader Real Estate Investment App Review, Usage Experience. Links to AcreTrader and related resources can be found in the description below. AcreTrader is a unique real estate investment platform that focuses on farmland, providing accredited investors with the opportunity to own shares in agricultural land. It's designed for individuals seeking a stable, long-term investment with historically low volatility and strong returns, offering diversification into a niche asset class. One of AcreTrader's standout features is its data-driven farmland selection process. The platform's team evaluates land based on soil quality, water access, crop yield history, and market conditions to ensure only high-potential properties are listed. This rigorous due diligence minimizes risks for investors and ensures access to premium opportunities. Investors on AcreTrader purchase fractional ownership in farmland properties, allowing them to earn passive income from lease agreements with farmers or land appreciation. This approach lowers the financial barrier to entry compared to buying and managing farmland outright, making it accessible to a broader range of investors. AcreTrader provides transparent financial reporting and performance updates through its easy-to-use dashboard. Investors can track the value of their shares, receive regular updates on the property's performance, and monitor distributions. The platform also handles property management, including insurance, taxes, and communication with farmers, making it completely hands-off for investors. Another significant advantage of investing in farmland is its low correlation with traditional markets, such as stocks and bonds. This makes AcreTrader an excellent choice for diversifying a portfolio, especially during periods of market volatility. Historically, farmland has delivered steady returns and proven to be resilient during economic downturns. However, it's important to note that AcreTrader is primarily aimed at accredited investors and requires a long-term investment horizon, typically 5 to 10 years. Additionally, while farmland investments offer stability, they are relatively illiquid compared to publicly traded assets. In conclusion, AcreTrader is an exceptional platform for investors looking to diversify into farmland and benefit from a stable, hands-off investment model. Its focus on high-quality farmland, transparency, and professional management make it a standout choice in the alternative investment space. Check the links in the description to explore AcreTrader and see if it aligns with your investment goals. This review should help clarify whether AcreTrader is the right fit for your portfolio diversification strategy.